Arazlo is used to treat certain skin conditions, including psoriasis and acne. Different brands, dosage forms, and strengths are approved for different uses, so be sure to check the uses for your brand, dosage form, and strength of this medication. Arazlo is a retinoid product related to vitamin A. It is thought to work by affecting skin cell growth. For the best effect, this medication should be used with a total skincare program. Indications. Arazlo tazarotene lotion is indicated for the topical treatment of acne vulgaris in patients 10 years of age and older. How to use. Apply a thin layer of Arazlo to the affected areas once daily. Avoid the eyes, mouth, paranasal creases and mucous membranes. If Arazlo gets in or near eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. Arazlo is for topical use only, not for oral, ophthalmic or intravaginal use. Wash hands thoroughly after applying Arazlo. Avoid concomitant use with oxidizing agents, such as benzoyl peroxide. If the concomitant use of Arazlo with oxidizing agents is required, apply it at different times of the day, e.g. one in the morning and the other in the evening. Contraindications. Arazlo is contraindicated in pregnancy. Arazlo may cause fetal harm when administered to a pregnant patient. Precautions. Before using Arazlo, tell a doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or to vitamin A related drugs, other retinoids such as isotretinoin, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to a pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, tell a doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of other skin conditions such as eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, sunburn, sun sensitivity. You should also avoid using most cosmetics or other topical medicines that make your skin more sensitive to sunlight or make your skin dry. Additionally, Arazlo lotion should not be used on skin with eczema or sunburn. Note that cold weather may be more irritating to your skin during treatment with Arazlo lotion. Side effects. Like many other topical prescription products, Arazlo lotion may cause skin irritation, pain at the site of application, dryness, flaking, peeling, redness, and itching. If you have any of these symptoms, your doctor may tell you to use a moisturizer. Decrease how often you use Arazlo lotion or stop treatment altogether.